United States and United Nations has given Tinubu marching order presidency to go and release Nnamdi Kanu. So that's why they are telling lies. They are not telling Nigerians the truth. That Nnamdi Kanu is going to negotiate. Nnamdi Kanu is going to negotiate. It's a lie. When Nnamdi Kanu come, he will talk to you. You will understand what happened there. What we are seeing now is lies, lies, lies. Lie. Federal Republic of lie. Federal government of lie. Nigerian government under Tinubu is telling us lies. They don't tell us the truth. Lies every day. Argument in the house of the lawmakers. They have never come out with good policy to benefit you and I. Nigerian lawmakers has never come out with good policy to pay Nigerians salaries, social income, social security, SSI. They have not come out with good law bills to favor you and I, or to give us free university education. No, all they do is to collect, stealing from public fund, stealing money from ordinary Nigerians. That is what we do. That is what the government do. And they are doing all this thing. All of us are looking like Mugu. Because every Nigerian man you see is a Mugu. All of them, they form it that they are expert in 419, advanced field fraudster. We Nigerians, we are this. Oga, we are scammed. Nigerian man is a scammed man. They have scammed us. Because the country is a scammer country. Oga Chetima, you see now, is living big with his wife and children. A thief. Are you listening to me? Someone that has been accused of Boko Haram and banditry operation in the northern Nigeria, and he has never come out and said, I don't do this. So he still remain there. Committing all manner of crimes. See, the government of Nigeria will never be devoid of corruption. And all they tell us on daily basis are lies. I don't really understand. My brother, it's a lie. South Africa will never, ever connive with Nigeria to fight Biafra. It is a pathological lie. A lie that flies like ceiling fan. It is a pathological lie. I don't believe.
Okay, you don't believe?
No.
Someone like Abaribe has come and said that Nnamdi Kanu has agreed, for him to be that he has agreed to all conditions that the government will give to him. Do you think he's lying or saying the truth, Abaribe?
All I know is that Nnamdi Kanu is not a violent person. Nnamdi Kanu is doing the right job of agitators. Like a peaceful agitator, he has never used gun. He has never invited IPOB members to use guns. The people that were using guns on armed IPOB youths were the federal government of Nigeria. From 2017, it was proven. Many people were killed on the compound of Nnamdi Kanu's father, Igbo, His Royal Highness Israel. See, let me tell you, Nigerian military forces killed Igbo youths, killed Aba youths, killing by youths with gun. Biafrans, agitators, they are not using guns. So any negotiation they are coming up with, I think if Nnamdi Kanu agrees, there are still many dangerous agitators coming behind him. You can never quench the fire of Biafra. Biafra is bigger than everybody. Biafra is bigger than every Igbo man. No Igbo man is bigger than Biafra. If Nnamdi Kanu succumbs to this kind of durex, someone else is going to take up that flag, Biafra flag, and start flying Biafran flag. See, let me tell you, Biafra has come. Willy-nilly. Nobody can stop Biafra. Agitation of Biafra, the fire is gathering, is aglow. It's like a candle placed on the mountain top. The whole world is seeing it. It illuminates, and it can never go off. Biafra is coming, whether Nigeria likes it or not. Biafra is coming, whether Hausa likes it or not. Biafra is coming. Igbo is free, now the Kanu is inside there because everybody is against Biafra. They don't want Biafra to come so that they will continue stealing money in the public offices. The Southwesterners that are agitating that if Biafra comes, if Nnamdi Kanu comes, they won't vote for Tinubu again. They are all thieves. People that are stealing money in the public office, they will never be weary of, tired of dipping their hands into public purse, stealing money that belongs to the entire Nigeria. It is their own business. So that's why they are scared. They are growing cold feet. Anytime Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu are being mentioned on the social media, in the media houses, these Southwesterners that are stealing money in the public office, they begin to fidget and check. So let me tell you this point. Yoruba Southwest should go and mind their Oduduwa business. If they don't, that is their own. All I know is that we have been held enough hostage by the Fulani hegemony in the north. Igbo man is tired. We are agitating for sitting out from Nigeria, and it has become a success. It is a successful song. We have come of age with Biafra ideology, and that ideology has finally emanated, emancipated, emerged, and that's what we are seeing.
Okay, we've seen the CDS of Nigeria, Musa, has come out to tell Nigerians that the Nigerian military, they are willing to join strong forces with the South African military. And some members come out to accuse the South African military of staying in their own lane, that if they join forces with the Nigerian military to fight Biafra, they are up for it, that they are prepared against anything that the South African military and the Nigerian military will want to bring to the Biafrans. What can you say to this?
I know, you see, Nigeria is bent on telling lies. There's never a time South Africa government like Nigerian government. And let me tell you, if you go down to look on history, you do your research where you read history, you will find out that Biafra and South Africa were one in 1967. When Ojukwu was fighting Nigeria, South Africa, the Rhodesia, that is Zimbabwe, then the Zambians, they connect with Biafra and make sure that Midwest fall. The falling of Midwest, I mean the former Bender, where Colonel David Ejo was governor, are you listening to me? Was due to joint forces of Biafra, Zambia, Zimbabwe. Countries from Eastern Africa can never agree to fight with Nigeria. That is to join Nigeria to fight Igbo man. It's a lie. As I'm talking to you now currently, South Africa as a country knows that what they are enjoying in South Africa today, the Nigerians that are in South Africa today, 60% are Igbos. South Africa can never join forces. South Africa can never join forces to fight an eastern country in Africa. Biafra is not in West Africa. Biafra is in the Eastern Africa. Listen and listen good. And the primary stage of Nigerian Biafra civil war, Zambia was with us. Listen and listen good. South Africa was with us. Former Rhodesia was with us. Formerly, currently Zimbabwe was formerly called Rhodesia. And listen to me.
Yeah.
The Zanzibans, that's the Zambians, the Tanzanians, they were with us. That was why we proved so strong and capture Midwest as easier as possible than now, before in 1967. If Nigeria is telling you that South Africa is going to join forces to fight Igbo man, it's a lie. To fight Biafra, it's a lie. They always come out with lies. Economically, they will be telling you lies. To fix the facilities, infrastructures in Nigeria, they will be telling you lies. These are people that are busy tormenting you and I. Nigerian government is a tormenting government. They are busy stealing money. Abba is busy stealing money. Tinubu is fantastically corrupt. When you talk about what David Cameron said in 2015, or 2013, when was the Mandela buried? I think that could be 2015. See, David Cameron, the former UK Prime Minister, said Nigeria is fantastically corrupt. They want to kill the man. But it's true, because they are the receiver of our public fund. Yes, these guys are the receiver of our public fund, the UK. The APSA, SA, they receive our fund. France, Europe, these countries or continents are where Nigerian politicians are stealing our money, transferring it into their various banks. That's why they, of course, say they know that Nigeria is fantastically corrupt. They are referring to our politicians. Are you listening to me? So, let me tell you. Nnamdikanu, South Africa, Zimbabwe, and other Eastern African countries are one with Biafra. Listen and listen good. Nobody can intimidate Simon Ekpa out of Finland. No, prevail on Nnamdikanu. The smoke, the cloud is gathering. Now,
the man did not hide it. He opened his mouth, pump and play, and said, Igbo people should not expect me to do anything good for them because they are not the one that vote me in.
Okay, there's a report that Opus Odima, the governor of Imo State, has destroyed, according to that report, has brought down, I think, one of the only primary schools in Imo State, and has left so many children in Imo State stranded. And there was also a report, of security issue where, a mother of 4 children was kidnapped.
You see, coming to I'm Mr. Kwajeni Okokoni, this country of Biafra, if I'm not saying nnamdikanu, this is the of Biafra. You see, coming to the issue of Uzodinma, everybody have known Uzodinma as a vulture of Imo State. Uzodinma is Idi Amin of Imo State. Uzodinma is Emperor Bukasa of Imo State. Idi Amin is a pharaoh of Imo State. And do not be surprised what Uzodinma is doing in Imo State. Because immediately the Fulani Supreme Court of Nigeria manipulated the election and said he was the one that won the election. Uzodinma did not hide it. He opened his mouth, pump and play, and said, Igbo people should not expect me to do anything good for them because they are not the one that vote me in. If it's telling them that I don't have their own mandate. The mandate I have is Fulani government of Nigeria, who have post me here, not elect me here, who have post him here through their Supreme Court. Then he will do their bidding. And the watch since he entered there is doing the bidding of Fulani government of Nigeria. He is the leader of Boko Haram. He is the head of Fulani herdsmen. He is the captain of bandits. He is the father of all violence in Imo State. So do not be surprised what he's doing. Now, he went and to burn the only primary school in a community in Imo State to accomplish Boko Haram. What is the meaning of Boko Haram? We don't want Western education. That's what he's trying to introduce in Imo State. That Western education is supposed to be abolished. Imo State people have to be blind in education. Imo people, if the Imos don't need
Education.
Western world education. What they need is Islamic education. What they need, they don't need to speak English again. What they need to speak Arab. Go and bring Arab education in Imo State. That is what he's showing you. To go and burn that primary school. This is where he's working to. And he's doing the bidding of his paymasters. Fulani government of Nigeria, Nyanti Anla. And tomorrow you say, it's an Igbo man. It's not an Igbo man, it's a Fulani man. Anybody that bought you, you be a slave on that person, to that person. You belong to that person. This doesn't belong to Igbo people anymore. He belongs to Fulani. Because they're slave to Fulani. Therefore, it's a Fulani government in Imo State. It's a Fulani government in Imo State. Fulani governor in Imo State. So it's not ruling Imo State, but it's carried Imo people to Fulani. That's what he's doing. This is not the only thing I have done, though. Okay, look at it now. In his presence, they kidnapped a family, a mother, and leave the 4 children. They burn school down. You saw that. Now, Ray Omokere, we not see that one on top. President in Abuja will not give marching order on that one. Now, small time they will say it was a Simon Ekpa that give order to burn that primary school. It was Simon Ekpa. It's in Finland.
Oh, IPOP.
It's in Finland giving to burn primary school. The chief of army staff, chief of defense staff of Nigerian army, All of them will not see that one. Uzodinma is in Imo State. And the shout that Uzodinma is causing the insecurity in Imo State. What do primary school do there? You went and brought the primary school down. They will not see it and talk now. They will not see it. The people that go and kidnap, watch. That people may be Uzodinma agents. They will not say, it's unknown government, it's RPOB, unknown government. Someone have ordered them to go and burn school down. They will not talk so. Because this one have come openly. This one have come openly. People know who did it. They will not talk like this. They pop low. Mr. President will never give marching order to go and fetch those people that to burn the primary school. To go and fetch those people that kidnap that woman and leave the family. They will not be marching order. Have you been some people cover their face and do that thing now? They will say, someone for Finland, you have done evil. Why do you allow someone to go and burn the primary school in Biafra land, causing commotion in the southeast? Why? They will not talk that one now because it's their own man, their own people that did it. Now it's righteous, it's good. It's righteous, it's good. Bible said in the book of Isaiah 59, woe unto them that to call evil good and the good evil. Woe unto them. That's what Bible said. I'm not the one that said it.
But do you not think before bringing an house, could you not think at least there should have been a stopgap or or another there would have been at least have where they can be using prior to breaking that the one that they were bringing down the one they were using before. Because now the student now they can't go to school. They'll be left at home, and that can cause them now doing what they're not supposed to do. Do you not think Uzodinma is supposed to prepare another place before even bringing down where they were using currently?
Do we bring it out that they want to renovate it?
It might be.
Might be.
Yeah.
You bring it down. You want to renovate it without planning, without securing another place for them. You will bring it down to rebuild it. And people are complaining bitterly in the way it was bring down. Watch out, that community do not agree with his sayings. Watch out, that community, they want to send them away and give it to Fulani herdsmen. They want to send those community away and give it to Fulani herdsmen. They want to acquire their land to give to Fulani. They tell him, no, we did not agree. Go and watch out, go and make your research. Let any investigation journalist in Nigeria go and make a research. There must be a way that community tell him no for his own barbarian ideology.